Initially when we started up it was very, very quiet and we struggled, work was very scarce, so we identified that things were going to get a lot busier and we realised that there was a major shortage of trained professionals in our industry. So we decided that the best route going forward was if we take on apprentices to train them, so that hopefully when things got really, really busy, they'd be at the level where they could work competently on their own and have a good level of training. And also for them it would be beneficial that they be, at the end of it all, that they become a qualified electrician.
Eagerness is definitely what a company would look for. We'd normally take apprentices in and maybe have a trial and see what their attitude is like, if they want to learn, and if they want to stay there for 4 years and complete the apprenticeship and then stay there as an electrician for whatever it may be, for that length of time. So when these lads come in, if they want to learn, you know well if they want to learn, and we'll keep them on then.
Two of the guys had never really been on a building site before, so we really were kind of taking them by the hand and leading them up, every job. But their two guys were very fast learners, and they took on, they asked lots of questions, and they made sure they knew, within a couple of months they knew exactly what they were doing for their standard. But they went to college for 5 months, and when they came out of the training centre, the difference was unbelievable. You could really tell they were after going up a notch, and they were very, very beneficial to us on jobs.
Over the 4 years, the apprentices will take 3 stints in college and learning the theory end of it. So we'll see these lads going a bit on the job, learning the theory end, and come back even more eager than what they were before. They have the theory, they've wrote out loads of pages, and they want to put it into practice.
All the guys that are electricians or that are fitters, anyone that comes in, they're so nice to the apprentices, because it's like, these guys are going to be like working with us and we're stuck, we don't want to be fixing their work, so they're always trying to look after us, and they're always giving us all, they always take us aside and they're always explaining everything. You nearly wouldn't even have to ask, they just show you everything goes together, they're going to explain it to you. It's really well worked.
For me myself as an apprentice moving up, I've had people over me constantly mentoring me, showing me when I've made mistakes and making me a better electrician myself. So as I've qualified, I've tried to pass that on to the apprentices coming through as well. It is a camaraderie within the company, definitely.
Once you have a trade, especially as an electrician, you can go anywhere around the world, you can do whatever you want. It's an industry that's kicking back in Ireland, and by the looks of things over the next couple of years there's going to be absolutely no shortage of work. It's a relatively clean trade compared to the rest of them, and it's one that you can really advance after you're qualified as an apprentice. You can really advance and build on that.
It's great to finally get them papers. For me it was an important day in my career as well, to nail it down. It's done, and you can move on. You can do other things, and electronics and engineering, and it's a major stepping stone for people obviously that want to spread their wings and go around the world. Having that in your back pocket, it's as good as the visa you're going with.
Once I have the trade, it's wherever I want to be and wherever I want to go, it's always going to be there with me.